What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to affiliate marketers, and I want to know, are you struggling to build an affiliate marketing sales funnel for your business? Which means if you're struggling, you're not making any money, you're getting frustrated, you've been trying to get this thing right from the beginning and nothing seems to be working for you. You watch YouTube videos, you've been getting on people email lists trying to figure out how to get this done, and you're sick and tired of it. Well, I want to tell you, I have the perfect solution for you right now. So what I'm going to do is I want you to watch a short video, and then I'm going to come back at the end of the video, and then I'm going to close it out. So watch this video right now.
Anybody that upgrades in the conversion pros, talking about 50 bucks, $1.61 a day, we're literally going to have our entire sales and design team where I get involved with that, build you a professional capture page, a professional landing page for any product, any service, any business, doesn't matter what it is, where we're going to literally break it down and give you something custom that will convert in your business. And again, that's just for upgraded members. So if you go over to the Conversion Pros and you hit the upgrade button, it's not on the free trials, okay, because we got to make it worth our while. This is literally thousands of dollars of value. I mean, we got an entire ad copy team, design team, everything. So basically what happens is after you upgrade, you contact me, and then you let me know, what's up, Terry? You contact me, and you'll let me know what you need. Okay, we'll look at your company, we'll look at your products, we'll look at your services. This is all I've done for the last 15 years. I know how to get signups, I know how to get sales, and I know how to get conversions. It's what I do, it's what I've been doing, and I plan on doing it forever. So long time with this. We really know what we're doing. So all you have to do is contact me. My phone number is actually right there, and we'll go ahead and we'll get you started. We'll build you a killer sales and marketing funnel. I don't care what your business is, what your product is, what your service is. What we'll find out is what is your customer base, what are you trying to do, and let us jump on board and help you solve that issue. That's what we do best. You're not going to find an offer like this. Show me where you got any offer where you got a guy like myself and a design team like what we have and program team like we have that's actually going to go to work for you for a measly $1.61 a day to get that set up. Most companies charge you $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 up front. We're talking about, you got 50 bucks, you skip Olive Garden one day and let us have our design team go to work for you. And again, that's a funnel that you can use to get unlimited leads. We got a phone app that's literally going to connect to that. That phone app's going to connect, so the minute you get a lead, it's going to hit your cell phone right away. We have a full-blown CRM, full-blown autoresponder, an autoresponder included. Okay, so you don't have to have a separate autoresponder. You don't have to buy a separate autoresponder. We actually include that. We actually let you send to unlimited leads. So pretty crazy, this offer. So it's coming up to the holidays. We felt the holiday spirit. We said, you know what? Why don't we do something cool? My guys love sharpening my skills, and they figure if I get overloaded with funnels, I'm only going to get even better than I am at them right now. So insane offer. So I plan on my phone's probably going to blow up. So here's the thing. If you're in an MLM and you stink and you're not getting any sales, you're not getting any signups, you don't know how to become a top earner, you need to call me. If you got a product that you need more sales on, okay, if you have an actual physical product or whatever, skincare, you got a health product, weight loss, you got a travel product, you got whatever you need, just pick up the phone and call me, and let's get you solved, and let's get you out a funnel that's going to convert for whatever it is. It does not matter what the company is, does not matter what the product is, does not matter what the service is. We are here to jump on and literally knock it out of the park for you, and that's what we do, and that's what we'll keep doing. So it's an offer. Now here's the cool part too. If you get involved in the Conversion Pros and you want to offer this offer, you can, and then we'll pay you 50% of it. So how many people do you know out there that stink at MLMs, stink at selling products, stink at selling services? They do deal after deal after deal. You see them all over the internet, and all of a sudden you get to offer a deal like this to work with myself, a very proven top producer. Our company's been around for 5 years. This is what we do, and we're literally giving it away. I mean, most of those people will jump at the chance. I mean, 10 people, there's 250 bucks. 20, there's 500 bucks. This guy's the limit for you. Okay. So again, we're going to do all the work. What do you got to do? I'm going to be sitting at the PC and overseeing an entire team of programmers, copywriters, graphics guys. And we could take it a step further too. If you need a custom video or something like that, let us know. We also do custom video production, all those kind of things that we can also do to make your funnels even better and even more sexier. That convert more. So I expect that I'm going to get off here and my phone is probably going to ring off the chain. I hope it does. I love the challenge. I like to work with different products, different services, and I love people. So a lot of you have been my friends for a long time. You know what I do. You know what I can do. What will be a big mistake is if you don't let me do it for you. Okay? Don't pass up on this offer. It will not be around that long. I'm going to be overloaded probably pretty quick. And who knows when I'll turn this offer off. But this offer is open right now. Let's see who takes advantage of it. All right, everyone. Talk to you later.
All right, there it is. You heard it from the man himself. They are going to build you a professional affiliate marketing sales funnel. And it does not matter what business you're in. You can be a network marketer, e-commerce, offline, doctor, lawyer. It makes no difference. They're going to build you a sales funnel just for your business. Now, you have to upgrade. There are no free trial rides here. You got to be serious about this. We're only working with people who are going to upgrade and want to make this work. Okay. Now, on top of that, with them building you the funnel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you on to the traffic sources that I use so you can start getting traffic to your affiliate marketing funnel. Okay. Now, I want you to understand the traffic I'm going to give you, or the vendors that I'm going to give you, is going to be paid traffic. Okay, you can learn free methods inside of the Conversion Pro, but I'm going to give you paid traffic methods that's going to get some people coming to you quickly so you can test out your funnel. And then if the traffic is not converting, which I don't think you're going to have a problem with that, but for some reason, if it's not converting, you get with me and we'll go in and tweak that funnel till we get it converting. Okay. And that's what I'm willing to do. So I'm going to give you some information on how to get traffic quick, fast, and in a hurry, but you got to be willing to invest in your business. With that being said, go ahead, click the button, the link in the description below. Get signed up with the Conversion Pros. No free trial. Okay. Get signed up. Let's get your funnel built. Let's get you some traffic to it. Let's get you to making some money. Okay. We don't want you to go through next year like you did this year, failing at making affiliate marketing funnels, failing at making money, because if your funnel is not converting, then you're not making money. Okay. So I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Also, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, however you feel. Makes no difference to me. Just want to hear you interacting with me so we can communicate. My information will be below in this video. Give me a call, hit me up on Facebook, text me, however you feel like doing it, whichever way is comfortable with you. And if you sign up, expect a phone call from me, because I want to talk to you, see what you're trying to do, and see what I can do to help you out. Okay. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. Click the link in the description below. Let's get started. I look forward to working with you. I'll see you inside of the Conversion Pro. You have a good day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.